Catalonia Montego Bay keeps the all-inclusive simple but generous. All buffet and a la carte meals are covered, with snacks available throughout the day, and house cocktails and basic alcoholic drinks are included across the bars. The resort also builds in non-motorized water sports like kayaking, sailing, snorkeling, and windsurfing, which means you can get out on the water without paying extra. Families benefit from the children's club and the kids' pool, while evenings bring live performances and entertainment that are part of the package. What isn't included are the extras. Premium label liquors cost more, spa treatments like massages, wraps, and aromatherapy are all billed separately, and some of the a la carte restaurants operate on a reservation-only system. So while the essentials for dining, drinks, activities, and entertainment are already wrapped into your stay, the luxuries are at your own discretion. I'll reveal more details as we go, including exact room pricing, but if you're ready to book, my special links below automatically update to give you the best possible price currently available. Set on a private stretch of sand in Rose Hall, Catalonia Montego Bay combines a beachfront setting with quick access to the airport. You're less than a 10-minute drive from Sangster International, so transfers are short, and you'll be checked in not long after landing. The area itself is known for golf, with Half Moon Golf Course just 3 minutes away and White Witch within 10. History and culture are close too, with Rose Hall Great House only 6 minutes up the road, making it easy to pair beach time with sightseeing. When you're ready to explore Montego Bay, Doctor's Cave Beach is about 10 minutes by car, and the city's marine park and cruise port are also within reach. Shopping is easy with Witter Village and Blue Diamond Mall a short drive from the resort. That mix of convenience, airport proximity, major attractions, and day trip potential makes this location especially appealing for travelers who don't want long transfers or complicated logistics. The most affordable choice at Catalonia Montego Bay is the superior partial ocean view. At around $61 per person per night when shared by 4 guests, it's the entry-level option with either 1 king or 2 queen beds and a partial view of the water. It's well-suited for couples on a tighter budget or small families who want a straightforward room without losing that Caribbean setting. For families or groups wanting a bit more, the Junior Suite Oceanfront is a stronger pick. At about $69 per person per night on full occupancy, it offers direct ocean views and a more comfortable layout with a choice of bedding. At the higher end, the privileged 1-bedroom suite oceanfront comes in at roughly $89 per person per night when shared at full capacity. This suite separates the bedroom from the living area, giving parents more privacy or couples extra space to spread out. Catalonia Montego Bay's strength lies in how it balances practical touches with indulgent upgrades. Around the pools, loungers and shaded spots are always on hand, while the beachfront has towel service and plenty of space for sunbathing. Guests who prefer staying active can use the fully equipped fitness center or head to the tennis courts and mini golf course, all available right on site. The spa is one of the most polished features of the resort. Couples can book private treatment rooms or choose open-air sessions set by the beach, with services ranging from body wraps to facials. Families will appreciate the convenience of a playground and babysitting services for a fee, while adults benefit from extras like a salon, gift shops, and concierge support for day trips or transfers. These add-ons make the stay feel flexible. You can keep it simple with the included basics or layer in more luxury depending on your preferences. Days here move easily from laid back to lively. Around the resort, activities like Bill give you casual ways to pass the time. When the sun dips, things shift toward a more social atmosphere. The property organizes live music, themed shows, and evening performances that are all part of the stay, so there's always a way to cap off the night without leaving the grounds. Karaoke evenings and seasonal events add even more variety to the schedule. For families, the Kids Club runs its own set of age-appropriate activities during the day, which means children are entertained while adults take a break. This mix of casual daytime fun and structured evening entertainment ensures that whether you're after a quiet drink with background music or a full night out, you'll find something that matches your mood. With 6 restaurants and a handful of bars, Catalonia Montego Bay puts variety at the center of its dining. The main buffet, portside, handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating stations that keep things from feeling repetitive. Families especially appreciate the kid-friendly selections here, while adults can explore Caribbean staples and international favorites side by side. In the evenings, the a la carte options stand out. Seabreeze specializes in seafood, De Terrace highlights Caribbean flavors, and Sorrento delivers a more classic Italian menu. These venues require reservations, so planning ahead is key if you don't want to miss a table. For a lighter, more casual bite, Barefoot Bar and Grill keeps the poolside crowd happy with burgers, jerk chicken, and quick snacks during the day. Drinks flow across multiple bars, including a swim-up option, but it's worth remembering that only standard cocktails and house brands are included. If you want top-shelf liquor or signature mixes, those come with a surcharge. Guests often mention that while the inclusions cover the essentials well, splurging on one of the themed restaurants or a premium drink can add a little extra to the experience. Catalonia Montego Bay is family-friendly, but there are a few policies worth noting. Cribs and rollaway beds aren't available, so larger families may need to book adjoining rooms rather than relying on extra bedding. While 2 children up to 6 years old can stay free when sharing with parents, older kids are charged at the regular rate, which can make a difference for larger groups. The property itself spreads across multiple low-rise buildings, which means walking outdoors between facilities is part of the experience. Guests sensitive to evening noise may want to request accommodations set back from the common areas, since shows and nightlife sometimes run late. Accessibility has been considered, with ramps and adapted paths, but guests with very specific needs should confirm details with the hotel in advance. Overall, these aren't deal breakers for most, but if you do want somewhere else to stay, then check out my playlist linked below. Catalonia Montego Bay positions itself as a solid mid-tier option in Montego Bay's resort scene. The inclusions cover more than just meals and drinks, with water sports, evening shows, and a kids club all wrapped into the base rate. Compared to other properties in the area, that consistency makes it easier to budget without worrying about hidden charges. The resort does offer ways to elevate the experience, like its privileged room categories and spa services, but these are optional rather than essential. When viewed against similar all-inclusive resorts in Montego Bay, the combination of location, dining variety, and reliable inclusions gives this property a fair edge. Catalonia Montego Bay is best for travelers who want variety without overcomplication. Couples will find it appealing for its relaxed pace and the mix of casual and elevated spaces that make it easy to balance downtime with social nights. Families are well matched too, since the property provides plenty of structure for kids while still keeping adults entertained. Groups of friends often find this resort convenient, not only for its short transfer from the airport, but also for its balance of activity and leisure. Book your stay at the best price using my links below.